All right, good morning, traders. It's January 21st. Making sure, yep, January 21st. So I'm going to go ahead and put a range order in right now so I don't take a loss on it. High 7580.8. All right, and then the low, find out here when this candle closes where we want that low to be. But it looks like 75.8. I don't think I'll make much money on it because I can only afford 40 shares. Actually, I could have got 60 shares, but I ended up with 40. Ended up putting 40 in or whatever. So yeah. So we'll see. I hope, hopefully I make 15 bucks on it. It would be nice, but all right. So new candle should open here, and then we'll see where. All right. Put the right tool on. All right, so 75.53 is what we're looking for. 75.35 because we're going to watch it, and then maybe we can trail a little bit. So 75.35. All right, so we're going to go ahead and move our stop now because it's just broke through here. So I'm going to close that and then buy. All right, so now the new stop is here, target here. And then as soon as it breaks this one, I'm going to move it again. So the low range is going to become 74.85. And the high range, the new high range will be 75.35 if we don't get stopped out here. All right, so as soon as we break this, that'll be our new stop. All right, we're going to get stopped out here. Cool, man. Making some money in the first trade. Green first trade if we get stopped out. It's all good. All right, so that's it. So we're out. First trade of the day, 15 bucks. Wish I would have bought that 60 shares now. It would have been like a $20 trade. But, that's what it is. It's expensive stock, so I couldn't afford to buy a bunch of shares of it just yet. But, all right, we'll look around and be back. It looks like the market itself might be rolling over, so I'm going to jump into this here in 10 seconds. Short 50 shares. All right, cool. So we're in with 40 shares. Gonna mark it up here. And then we're gonna buy. All right. Got the new order in, so we're in for 18. So now I'm gonna adjust this again, just in case we continue downward. 93.34. Okay, so we're at 87. We're looking for 77, and we're gonna move our stop again. Come on. 88. 10 cents away. All right, cool. So we got our 77 and we're out. Oh, I didn't cancel my order first. I could get back in, but then there's commissions. Oh, that's too bad. All right, so we're out. It's all good. At least we're in profits. But we could have been in more, maybe. All right, now actually probably just got stopped at right there. All right, cool. So moving on, looking for another trade.